Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about why do blooms occur? Why do flowers bloom? So it's really quite simple if you think about it. You plant a seed or you have a bulb, it grows foliage, and then the foliage matures. And in nature, it quits raining, you have the hot summer, and then the plant dries out completely. Well, it thinks that it's going to die because it has no nutrition. It's lacking in nitrogen. So nitrogen makes the greenery. It's the phosphorus or the phosphates that make the flowers. So it's lacking in nutrition. It's lacking in nitrogen. So it will shoot out blooms to make seeds to save itself for the next season. So plants bloom also to have different variances in their DNA, because by the bulb or by the root they're going to multiply, but they clone themselves. There's no change in the DNA. But by flowering, they get pollinated by different bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies, and they get the pollen from other plants. And that way they can get different DNA, and then that plant will create a seed pod that will again grow the next season, and they'll have a new plant with new DNA. So plants flower to reproduce themselves. Just like any other creature has babies, it's a way to procreate. So to change the DNA and have different DNA from the mother plant, it has to create flowers. And then that way it can guarantee that it'll grow for many more generations.